with what do you say, leanings towards the government. Yeah. So now let's start off with Trajan. What's happened? Interesting. A lot of issues came up. Kala Academy, vegetable, tourism, water bodies, Manipur. What would you like to start with and start off with what happened?
See, before starting with the assembly,
okay,
just before that there was the Rajya Sabha election.
Okay.
Which was also, election took place supposed to be taking place on the floor of the house, in the assembly itself.
Okay.
And the so-called opposition had to project a united front. Suddenly, in fact, when the Congress in charge was in Goa, that day one of the senior Congress leaders made a statement that they are going to contest the Rajya Sabha election. But all of a sudden, they decided not to contest. In my opinion, a wrong signal has been sent that the opposition is, if they have got any strategy, the strategy was only to hide the disunity. It cannot be to say that they were united.
I don't know, I'll get
1 minute, I'm coming.
On it. I'll get the
argument put up by many are saying they did not have the numbers. Fair enough. In the assembly, you don't have numbers. You are going to do what there? Play to the gallery, try to show the people, you have numbers in the assembly. So this bravado that you do not have the numbers, in a election, the first thing you have to fight whether you have the numbers or not. If you don't have the numbers, go home and sit down quietly. Don't come to the secretariat and make a big show at the gallery there that I am taking up issues. My question is, there are issues today that are hitting the common man. Price rise, unemployment. Can this be solved by you going to the assembly and doing that? Nothing is happening. The government has become dumb. Government has become insensitive to the whole issue of the youth, of the minorities. India is burning, Manipur is burning. The Prime Minister doesn't open his mouth till the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court had to come on record to say, if the state government, the central government does not act, they will have to act. So if this is the state of affairs, then what are we expecting from the Goa state, who are absolutely subservient to the central government? Everything
issues came up, no? Kala Academy, that issue came up. Vegetables, tourism. Today, tourism.
My question is, is it going to improve the scenario? I am also talking in the press conferences of issues. You are talking in the assembly. I am talking outside the assembly. He is protesting to vote to double E. The double airport should not go there. I have seen him there yesterday. Mohan Das is talking. SD Babu is putting his this. Point is the suffering becoming less? Or are we just playing to the gallery?
Mohan Das Babu.
No. Trajan Babu just सांगता जसं ओके बट कशें आसा की गव्हर्नमेंटच फंक्शन आसा की डेमोक्रेसी म्हणटी ना जेन्ना डेमोक्रेसी जेन्ना ना तेन्ना तूं जाय तें उलय कांय जावंक शकना न्ही असो एक टायम येवपा जाय आता की डेमोक्रेसी रिस्टोर करप हो पयलो प्रश्न आता म्हारगाय वाडला सगळें वाडला पूण गव्हर्नमेंटान एक रोल धरिल्लो आहा सेंट्रल ऑर ए स्टेट तुमी जाय तें उलयात तुमी जाय ती मोर्चे काडात तुमी जाय ती निदर्शन करात तुमी जाय तें करात आमी तुमकां कोत करचे नात कित्याक आमचे कडेन मेजॉरिटी अशी आसा ब्रूट फोर्स म्हणटा पळय तशें आहा तुमकां आमकां पडणे गेलें कोणाचें कांय सो आतां जबाबदारी लोकांची आहा की लोकांनी हाज्या विरुद्ध उठाव करपाक जाय की हे जे जाता असेंब्ली प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व जातलो राज्यसभेचेर वचून प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व जातलो हे आतां लोकांनी विसरपाचें कांय जायना फक्त डिस्कशन जातलें जर मणिपुराची गजाल मे म्हयन्याक जाल्ली मे म्हयन्याचो आमच्या प्रायम मिनिस्टराक जर काल कळटा किंवा तो काल उलयता
बिकॉज द व्हायरल व्हिडिओ
सो तर मागीर आमगेली इंडिया सुप्रीम कोर्ट पोझिशन कितें आहा म्हणटा ती कळटा न्ही सो आतां पडलो कोणाचेर आनीक दुसरे हांवें काल स्वाती मलिवालाचो हे क्लिप पळयल्ली की ती म्हणटा की आपल्या चीफ मिनिस्टर हाज्या मणिपूरची विचारल्यार तो म्हणटा दिस इज नॉट ओनली वन केस दर 100 ऑफ केसीस हे खंयच्या तोंडान एक चीफ मिनिस्टर म्हणू शकता 100 ऑफ केसीस टुडे ऑल ओव्हर इंडिया नॉट ओनली गोवा ऑल ओव्हर इंडिया
तुम्ही कोण उलयना म्हणटा
सो प्रॉब्लेम कसो आहा की प्रॉब्लेम आतां लोकांनीच जागृत रावपाची गरज आहा की आमदार करतलो खासदार करतलो गव्हर्नमेंट करतलो गव्हर्नमेंट करना हे सगळें खबर आहा गव्हर्नमेंट कांय करूं शकना आनी गव्हर्नमेंट करचोय ना गव्हर्नमेंट कांय करचो ना गव्हर्नमेंट असेंब्लीक रिप्लाय करतलो आनी फायनली कशें असेंब्ली हो आंकड्यांचो खेळ न्ही वोटिंगा घाल अमूक जालो भायर पडलो सो थंय प्रश्नच ना सो आतां प्रॉब्लेम आहा तो लोक कितें पळय आनी लोक फ्रस्ट्रेट जाला प्रॉब्लेम कसो जाला लोकांचो बी कोणाचेर विश्वास दवरतले विश्वास कोणाचेर दवरप म्हणटा तो प्रश्न हें जाला आनी त्या देखून लोकय फ्रस्ट्रेट जाला पूण खंय तरी अशी गजाल येतली कित्याक सामान्य वर्ल्डाची हिस्ट्रीच तें सांगता की अशें जें कितें एनार्की चलता किंवा हें चलता तें चड वेळ चलूंक शकना. तूं मिडिया लागीं धर, तूं बाकीच्यांक सोशल मिडियाचेर तूं आपल्या प्रोपगंडा कर, बट हें चड वेळ चलना. ताका खंय तरी फूल पॉयंट आसात, फूल स्टॉप आसा. सो केन्ना तरी जातलें.
Elvis Bab, Mohandas Bab has been a little more balanced. Rajan Bab is been very pessimistic. What do you feel?
No, I absolutely.
And, the issues are being brought up, and I think, in fact, tumcho Vijay Sardesai has today the tourism. I am all for it. My point, in fact, I want to make. You all can open this discussion, including Samant Bab. You now this is Goan land, Goan money. Why is it Goans are not getting all those hotels and all those restaurants and all those this? Fine, we don't have trained people. You train them. Today the senior vice president of Taj is a Goan. Vincent Ramos, good friend of mine. He's a Goan. We cannot train our Goans instead of we Goans going to Belgaum, Bangalore because our business is here. UK. Can't we? We lost. All of us are there to open our to have this thing. Elvis, sorry.
No, I absolutely agree with what you say, with what Rajan also says, and with what Mohandas also says. There is no doubt about the issues that have come up. Ati iti issues ele म्हणून जायना ne. They have to come to some logical conclusion. You see, there is no outcome of this. It is a complete waste, if you ask me. And if you see the level,
Assembly is a waste.
It's a waste. See, the level of debate and the level of your discourse has come down to such a pitiful level that there is no outcome that will ultimately benefit the common man. Sanga maga khunche issuacher Kala Academy issue काढलो. आता what is the outcome? Is there an investigation? कोणे तरी चुकयला न्हू थंय. In normal course, the first thing would have been to lodge a complaint. There should have a criminal investigation. बाबा कित्याक चुकले हितून, कित्याक म्हणून स्लॅप पडपाक जाय. आणि आज जर फाल्यां जर पडिल्लें when there is a performance going on, what would have been it would have been a tragedy. अशें खूब आसा. आता कितले issues काडा assembly भितर, there is no hope for the common man that his or her grievance will get redressed. म्हणून हांव म्हणटा कितें असेंब्लीचेर चलता तेजेर आनी फुडाराक कांय ना. गव्हर्मेंट थिंक्स इट इज अ ब्रूट मेजॉरिटी. कमी पडले जाल्यार तांचे कडेन आनी खंय ना खंय तांकां भाड्याक MLA मेळटाच. हें आमी गोंयान उदाहरण पळयल्लें आसा. आनी ह्या भाड्यान गेल्ले ते ताणें तरी आज विचार करपाक जाय आमी कित्याक म्हणून गेले, कितें मेळ्ळें, वर्स क्रॉस जालें,
डेव्हलपमेंट
काय ना. कसलो डेव्हलपमेंट?
ते भाड्याक दिले ते काँग्रेसाक दिल्यात
ना ते खंयचे पार्टीन दिवं, ते काँग्रेसच म्हणून ना. सी दे आर द इंडिव्हिज्युअल्स हू वर वल्नरेबल. तांकां ते इतले वल्नरेबल ते पयलीं काँग्रेसान चुकयलाच तांकां कोणाक हाडून.
That we have to have a debate.
No, separate. But since we are on the point of, since we are on the discussion of what is transpiring in the assembly, I do not see any positive outcome where common man of Goa is concerned. आमचे youth, आमचे unemployed youth, आमचो price and हे सगळे पळय suffering आसा, that continues. Assemblyतले डिस्कशनांतल्यान कितें तरी बरेपण येवपाक जाय, काय ना.
Okay, one thing I just, actually before I come to you, I would like to put a little of my bhavna. Okay, now everybody says that this government is non-corrupt. Now, how is it possible for the smart city to reach this level, and that Atal Setu to reach this level, and national games, Vijayan topic adla, Kala Academy to fall, if there is no corruption happening? How is it possible? How is my question? We have been roaming, all of us, I don't know, some of us at least have been roaming around in Panjim for the past 6 months. How is it possible that if everything was done properly, that these roads and the state of the thing would be like this today? Sorry, Ashley, I took some of your time. And this especially I want Samant Bab to answer after I finish. Ashley, yeah, please. Because he also roams in Benjamin. Look at the roads outside his office.
There are 2 points that have come up in the discussion so far. One was on the Rajya Sabha elections that Rajan spoke about. I disagree with his conclusion that, it was a wrong signal by the opposition. See, it is a Rajya Sabha election. There is no signal to be sent out, political signal to be sent out from a Rajya Sabha election. By that measure, in West Bengal also there was an election. There were 7 seats in West Bengal. All 7 seats were won uncontested.
Correct.
Trinamool did not contest the 7th seat because it didn't have the numbers. So, I don't read too much of a political message out of the Rajya Sabha election.
What about Elvis's point that the assembly has no...
I'll come to Elvis's point.
He doesn't read all the time writing.
Elvis's point is valid in a way, like from the common man's point of view, the proceedings seem meaningless. because it is not projected that way. But I disagree with it from a very academic point of view and from a very legislative point of view. See, there, even the point that Mohandas has made, that it is just majority and minority, it is not that. Question R does not have majority or minority. You can put the government on the mat, you can put the ministers on the mat during question hour, even if you are a single person.
It's happened today.
Exactly.
Today it's happened. That's my point.
So there are different aspects of the proceedings in the assembly which are useful to the common man, useful to governance, useful to keep governance in account. So there is a good and there is a bad. The bad thing about this assembly is the brute majority that the government has, and they bulldoze their way.
Especially bills and all
Exactly, they bulldoze their way. And another aspect that we need to keep in mind is, out of those 7 legislators that are in the opposition at the moment, only 1 is an experienced legislator. Vijay sir.
Yeah, correct. Yes.
The remaining 6 are first timers.
First time.
Okay, you can count Kalus a little bit on
Because he's
the
had the
experience part, because
administrative.
he's held the position of an advocate general.
Administrative side.
Okay, so he knows the legal aspects and all that, but I think they are improving from the last 3 sessions to
So do I.
these last 3 days. There has been a vast improvement in the performance of these opposition legislators, and they are at a disadvantage purely because of the numbers. Okay, and more so because even on the ruling side, you have very few statesmen.
Very few, you said.
Very few people who would cut across party considerations, and
Who could part?
there's hardly anyone.
Who like?
There's hardly anyone in the present set of 40. So even when the numbers are lopsided in favor of the ruling party, when you have people with legislative eminence on the government side, they do play the role of a neutral person in the thing and try and bring some sanctity to the legislative proceedings. So I think we should give them a long rope.
You said this last time also.
This is just the first year of the five-year term. There are a lot of inexperienced legislators who have been elected for the first time, and they are learning the ropes very fast. I feel the first timers in this present house are learning the ropes very fast.
Are doing better than the older. I agree with you totally, especially from the opposition side. Like
Yes.
I can name, like for example, Vijay was Vijay.
But
But
Goa
guys
is
like-
gone on the brink. आमका time गोया sir. Goa is gone to the brink. I'm telling you. सोप्पाचे हेजेर पावला आणि आम्ही आता शिकपाचे आणि ते शिकवपाचे
I'm not so much. Dottar, I will. Sorry, I am not going to answer on your behalf. But please.
I am not so pessimistic.
Yeah,
as
neither
others.
am I. But anyway.
So there are problems. Of course, smart city is a big questionable.
But it's a stupidity, not just a problem.
The manner in which the flooding has taken place, the manner in which the vehicles they are going down the drain, manner in which
Literally.
every entire place has been dug up, the execution of work, the coordination committee between who's in charge, the minister elected and the CCP chairperson saying I am not responsible. This entire this doesn't look as if it's a organized execution of work. That point is, even Kala Academy also, the manner in which ministers have been making statements contradictory to each other. In fact, comparing allegations against me as something is I have been victimated, others are not being made allegations. These are
But
something.
maybe it's a fact. That means there is some dal mein kuch dala hai. Maybe who knows? I'm just saying.
I do not know, but
Okay.
the problem is of course they are not been able to. That answers the first question. What is the point in having an assembly? This is a point in having an assembly. See, rightly or wrongly, they have been cornered. You can't say that the government has not been
Has
cornered.
been.
Within the limited minority, opposition that they have, a minuscule number of people opposing, they have done a good job. Pertinent questions have been raised. Government have been taken to task. The inquiry also, it was questioned whether anything outcome, what will be the inquiry has been ordered. Now tomorrow.
By IIT Roorkee.
Yes,
Criminal.
So criminal is
subsequent.
See, criminal. If you ask me, unless there is allegations of bribes, mayor whispers to say that that does not work unless there are specific allegations of bribe and something of that nature, or if somebody had there was loss of human loss, then yes, FIR would have been lodged. This is not a case for an FIR, but certainly this is something that asks for accountability.
Correct. One point I want to put before I come to Trajan. Now, today's huge argument happened over the land, the tourism land, all these hotels and all going to. Plus, there was the 17 beaches. I'm mixing up the two. My point is this. Now, this is Goa land. All of us will say Goa doesn't have so much of land. Goa money, even if it's from the center, money for Goa. How many Goans have got these GTDC tenders? One. Number two, how many of these Goans have got the smart city tenders? Two. Now, my point is, why is it Goans? I don't know if you agree with me or no. Before I move to Traja, why aren't Goans been given and this incentive to stay in Goa? Given this thing, you agree with what the government is doing or no?
In fact,
it's not only BJP. Before that, it was Congress, for which Goa was a part of. All this government, they find it easier to give it to somebody else. All contracts are going to outside. I wonder if there is one smart city guy contractor who is going in Goa. I don't know.
That's the point.
All national highways are going to outside. All the dance bars, even the illegalities on the Kalangur dance bars, all are outsiders. At least let our Goans make some money. Then we will not have to go to UK and all over the place.
See, there are two.
You agree with my point?
Yes.
Principle.
Yes, as a matter of principle, the contracts, the work, the opportunities in Goa should. It's the duty of the common man as well as the government to see to it that it goes to Goans first.
Okay.
But unfortunately, I'm not talking only about the Goa. You go to Mumbai, Brihan Mumbai Corporation, all contractors are Rajasthani.
Not concerned.
They are not. No.
What I am talking about Goa.
What I am saying. What I am saying is,
if we had joined Maharashtra, then we would have.
No. What I am trying to say is, this is a feature everywhere. No. This is not a feature typical to Goa. This is a feature typical to Maharashtra, Karnataka, Mumbai, Pune, everywhere.
Maharashtra and Goa. You go to south states. You go to north state, just check the contractors.
Yeah.
Anyway, you check and see. I can give you a list if you want. They are locals. Otherwise, those guys will get out the minister outside.
No, those are small contractors.
Oh, huge. All big
highway contracts are not
all. Anyway, Trajan Bab, we are like out of going to start of the assembly. Elvis, I'll give next.
Bab, Elvis rightly said. He said not. I would say rightly. He was very. He himself was.
Businesses are also controlled by
businesses are controlled.
Look at Goa. Tourism is our biggest industry. Who controls businesses in Goa?
Elvis said Goa is on the brink. According to me, it is rolling down the slope.
I don't agree. I'm sorry. That I totally don't agree.
1 minute. You are not here to agree or disagree.
Yeah, but I'm putting my point. I don't agree.
See, you are talking about tourism.
Yeah.
Today you have a tourism minister who is nothing but a political thug.
Okay.
He himself is saying there are so many touts going and he can do nothing about it. He is on record. I am not saying this. Okay. Yesterday also he is telling that illegal touts. I have never heard about illegal tout. A tout is a tout at the end of the day. Okay. Now the question is, the same political thug, why I am coming to the point is, he was a revenue minister. The loot that has taken place in the Communal land is his very controversy. And I am challenging the SIT. Not one Komidat property has been investigated by the SIT which they are talking of land grabbing. The biggest land grabbing has taken place in Komidat properties. And one of them is Sarva Komidat. So
when I was in Herald, we had broken that story.
So what I am trying to tell you is, then Sawant Bab says that the smart city does not look very organized way. Nobody is taking responsibility. The biggest way to make a loot of corruption is to keep everything disorganized. Let me finish. And that you have admitted. That is totally disorganized so that there is nobody that you can trap. But corruption is reached its maximum in the smart city thing. One can see it openly.
I think lots of other places also. But
no, smart city has become a joke.
Joke.
Absolute joke.
करप्शन तुका दुसरे अनेक सांगता हे तुम्ही आज जे सांगले ते वयले कॉमन मनशाक कसं सांगता आता गव्हर्नमेंटान मध्ये सेल डीड करताना थंयच म्युटेशनाचे पैसे घेवपाची नवी सिस्टम केली खबर म्युटेशन जाता
जायना.
म्युटेशन पयशे दिले जाता
जायना.
कित्याक जायना
जायना.
अकाउंटेबिलिटी कित्याक
जायना.
ना जर म्हाजे कडेन खंयच्याय कॉमन मनशा कडेन जो सेडीड करपाक वता ताजे कडेन तूं थंय 1000 रुपया थंयचे थंय घेता रजिस्ट्रार ऑफिसाक तर ऑटोमॅटिकली तुगे म्युटेशनाक फायल मूव जावपाक जाय
जावपा जाय.
म्युटेशनाक परती जर मूव करपाक जाय परती
Register office.
टेकिंग 1000 रुपीज
Dr. Samant cannot deny. No sold it is done. Unless it is
गोवनाचेर
paid.
काल
Finished.
मायकलान एक प्रश्न काडिल्लो की पुलीस काही 10 किलोमिटराचेर 3-4 कडेन रावतात राईट आणि टुरिस्टांक दिता एक कमर्शियल व्हेकल पयशे दिले शिवाय खंयच्यानूच सुटना
सुटना.
कसो बारीक लोक बंदोबस्त करतलो बारीक लोक बंदोबस्त करतलो तूं सांग म्हाका एक तूं आतां व्हडले गोंयकाराचे मोठे मोठे उलोवपा सोड एक सादारण पिकअप घेतली किंवा एक रिक्षा घेतली आनी तो जर वता तर ताका 3 कडेन पुलीस रावतात 3 कडेन मेळटा एक 10 किलोमिटराचेर हाजेर मायकल उलयलो ना मायकल उलयलो टुरिस्टांक त्रास जाता म्हण अरे गोंयकारांक त्रास जाता
गोंयकारांक
आनी
त्रास
कशें तूं सगळे डॉक्युमेंट जरी दवरले तरी तो लास्टाक युनिफॉर्म घातला म्हणटा आतां इतले फोंड पडिल्ले आहात रस्त्याक फोन पडटकीर कितें जाता की व्हेकलाचो हें वता आनी फाटल्यान लायट पेटना तो रोखडो लायटीचें चलन 500 रुपया काड म्हणटा तो नाल्यार पयशे दी म्हणजे तुमी बारीक लोकांक धंदोय करपाक दिना गोंयकारांक हाजेर मायकल उलयलो ना काय जाप काडला मायकलान
Goans have not been.
गोंयकारांचेर उलय मरे
That's what I'm saying. See, this is the point. हांगा ह्या असेंब्लींतल्यान हे प्रश्न सुटावे जाता. आता हे पळय आता
Police department is not a revenue department. हांव सदां सांगता.
परत हांव विचारता तेंच. Now I strongly disagree with Advocate Samant on one issue. कला अकादमीचेच उदाहरण घेवशी स्मार्ट सिटीजनचे उदाहरण घेवशी there has to be a complaint.
There has to be FIR directly.
There has to be an FIR. It is not necessary that somebody will get injured and get killed only then an FIR. Wait.
Wait, we are almost out of time. So I'm
Yes.
just giving you a
So
chance.
what I'm saying, there was a power scam long ago.
Yes.
BJP government had filed an FIR.
He's a minister.
That FIR later got investigated, and then today the matter is languishing in the courts. कितले वर्षां झाली? It is not necessary. There has to be an accountability. 1,000 crores is not less. The taxpayer is paying this money. And it is not that just
What do you have to
blown
do?
up.
Difference between the power scam is power scam there was swindling of money.
How?
And
Here
it
also
was-
there is swindling of
See,
money.
The allegations of swindling are here, no? Even
see,
no?
see,
I don't know. I'm
there
just
are
Read the
more-
CAG reports. See, the
there are-
initial CAG
see-
reports are very indicative.
See,
They are not bringing it out in the open door.
See, no, the
ROC,
CAG reports are
Registrar of
in
Companies is
open.
not
What do you
acting.
mean they are not
CAG
acting?
is
Reports are in the open.
CAG reports are in open, but there are no incidents of bribes being paid. आता तू लुईस बर्जराचे example घे. There the allegations were
No,
tried.
that was
Therefore
after
an
investigation.
So therefore an FIR.
After.
So आता power scam allegations were of illegal gratification. That's the reason under Prevention of Corruption Act. So here there is no
made allegations, no?
Nothing.
For
So
illegal
just
activity.
making a
Nothing.
statement
No,
is
no,
not
no.
enough. You have to provide something. See,
Nothing
FIR
stops the police from
FIR
conducting
is
preliminary inquiries.
See, FIR
Which can later get converted into FIR.
See,
ते सुद्धा
FIR
करपाक
is
ready
a
असना कोण.
complaint of a cognizable offense. Let them tell me under what provision of law you want to, under which section you want to
Sorry, we will
register.
discuss this in the next time because this is an interesting topic. It cannot be finished off
Next
so
time
fast. Yeah. I'm sorry, we are out of time and we have to go back to the assembly live again. Interesting. Sorry, I had to cut it short. Like last time also, I had to apologize, but we are going too live. It's been very interesting. I don't know. I'm a bit of an optimist, but lots of issues are there. But solutions. That's the fun of it. No, putting the solutions in place more than just agreeing about the problems.
Agreeing to disagree.
Yeah. No. Yeah.
Agreed.
Thanks and keep watching Goa 365.